A lone detective sits at her desk, struggling with the toughest case she's yet to crack. What happened to the missing protein in the cell?
Bring, bring.
Sorry to bother you, ma'am, but the protein loved ones are calling asking about what happened to the little boy. Do you have any leads?
I'm doing the best I can, Mitch. This is the toughest case I've had. I've been working here for 30 years. I don't know if I'm up for it.
Ma'am, I've seen you solve unsolvable cases. If anyone can crack this, it's you.
I realized if I wanted to solve the case, I had to go to the source and retrace the protein's last steps. I would have to visit the rough part of town, the cell.
I've already told you, my chromatin don't know nothing except DNA. I may control the center of the cell, but I don't know everything.
You know what I hate more than anything is liars. And you know what I have right in front of me is a liar.
I swear I don't know.
What's at stake here, man? If you don't tell me, you won't see the light of day again.
Fine. I remember a while back a gene of the boy who copied into mRNA and went through my nuclear pore. After that, it was out of my sight. That's all I know. He was very interested in my nucleolus, where ribosome components are made.
See here in this file that you have a close relationship with your brother, the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Is that correct?
I wouldn't call us close. I'm more interested in synthesizing lipids and detoxifying circulating drugs. All I have is a diversity of enzymes that help me live. The only thing my brother cares about is making more membrane and hanging out with transport vesicles. I also see him talking a lot with ribosome, a lot around my brother's membrane. You might want to talk to him.
I know that kid. I remember he ran away from the nucleus and tried to hang out with me. I don't know what happened next.
Then why is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum telling me you're in the business of taking little enzymes like him and turning them into proteins? From what I hear, you're the big dog in this town, which is ironic, because you're just a small little circle that doesn't even have a membrane!
I was just doing my job.
How do you sleep at night?
I didn't know I was doing anything wrong. The ribosome didn't say anything about the protein. All I did was hand them off. And when the ribosome tells you to do something in this town, you do it. I have a double membrane that's interconnected. The ribosome and this crew hang out there all the time.
Where did you send that poor kid?
Last I saw, the transport vesicle took him. I think they might have been headed to Golgi. That's all I know, I swear.
You worked hundreds of cases before. Why is this one getting to you so bad?
Because he never had a chance. All these organelles are brainwashed, and because of this, a young boy may never see his family again. Who's that from?
None of your business. Scram. Oh, I see. A transport vessel just dropped it off. Says it's from Rough ER. He travels through the cytoplasm, delivering packages from me from the RER.
Where can I find this cytoplasm?
She's all over the place. This clear molecular fluid you see all over the place, I know transport vesicles, uses her to get from place to place. It is a protein, excuse me, I have to put the final touches on it.
I'm looking for someone just like... Do you always do that when proteins get dropped off?
Yes, I run the shipping center here. See this hot pod? I'm a stack of membranes and it is my job to refine, store, and distribute the proteins.
Yes, well, one protein wasn't finished, and it wasn't supposed to be here, and his parents are looking for him.
Well, I don't know anything about that. All I know is cell membrane gets all my shipments.
Excuse me, membrane. May I ask you a question?
I'm in the middle of regulating the traffic of chemicals around here. I'm known as the fluid mosaic.
Good for you, but I'm looking for a missing child. Have you seen him?
Listen, lady, after a few years on the job, they all start to blend together.
Hey! Under those two layers of phospholipids is a heart. And I need that heart to tell me where this boy went.
Look, I can't be much help, but kids like him usually go all over the place. I think this one went to the mitochondria.
that one that has those two membranes, but I can't be sure.
Wait, who?
I'm sure you've seen him around. He's the powerhouse of the cell. You know him. From his Crystay folds or that dope matrix. He handles cellular respiration, makes ATP. He's a good dude, but when proteins are through here, the lysosomes sometimes jet them. But you better pray that ain't the case.
So the membrane tells me this boy was sent to you.
I don't know what you are talking about. Proteins don't get sent to me. I'm just the powerhouse of the cell. I do know that when proteins are done with the membrane, they get sent to various places, like the saliva. I don't know why the membrane would lie about that. Probably just to protect herself.
Ow! No! Don't!
Get out of here! I've got to break down large molecules like this.
It's not his time yet! You do a lot of good in this community, recycling organelles, destroying harmful bacteria. Don't make a decision you'll regret.
What do you know? All you can see is my membrane-enclosed sac containing digestive enzymes, but there's so much more to me than meets the eye. I have a role in this crazy mixed-up world. It gives me purpose, and if I don't do it, no one will.
No! Stop!
Ma'am, the protein's parents are here to see you. I think it's time to tell them what happened.
Please, have a seat. I'm so sorry to tell you this. He's dead. The lysosome broke him down. We have him in custody.
He will do what it takes to survive. You and your words flooded my senses. Your sentences left me defenseless. You shot through the heart, and you're too late.
I know that. IDK what happened. Don't say that.
More time to
Hold on! Who's that from?
None of your business. Scram! Oh, I see. I transfer pistol just dropped off.
I'll do it again.